Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group T. We talk about layouts or formal of business letter. By member Muhammad Alif Budiman, Nurlinda, Ristin Yurita, Riki Abaya Nurahim, Rofifa Humaira, and Salwa Ramadhani. And our material today is about the definition, full block style, modified block style, fully intended style, semi-intended style, and then NOMA simplified style. What are those point means? You will know after our explanation today. So listen carefully till the end. And then we start talk about definition. Format is a provision of rule in a business letter. There are some rules in writing it. Most of business letter must include a return address. It means letterhead or your name and address, and then date, and then an inside address. It means receiver's name and address, and then a salutation, body paragraph, and of course a closing. And then we move to the example of the formal letter. As you can see in the picture, there is sender address in Oceanside Drive blah blah blah. Sender address mean who is sent this letter is located there in Oceanside Drive blah blah blah. And then the date November 22, 2020. It means when the letter is written. And then receiver address Mr. Lawrence Jefferson. Receiver address mean who will receive this letter and to who the person will receive this letter. And then there is greetings. This is part of opening. Dear Mr. Jefferson. And then the subject. It is one of the opening also before go to the main of this letter. And then the main of letter is here in body part. We are inviting you to join us as we celebrate our 10th year blah blah blah. It means the body means this is the main purpose why you send this letter to Mr. Jefferson. Okay, and then after you finish the body of letter, you have to close the letter. Written the respectfully yours. And then signature. It means who is writing this letter. And then there is 5 types of format layout business letter. The first is full block style, modified block style, fully intended style, semi-intended style, and then NOMA simplified style. What is the difference of these 5 types of formal layout business letter? We will know after here our explanation. Okay, stay tuned.
The first layout is full block style. In a full block business letter, every component of the letter include heading, address salutation, body salutation signature, identification, and enclosures is aligned to the left. Also, first sentences of paragraphs are not indented. The sample of full block style. In sample 1, you will see that there are 2 spaces between the address and the date, 3 spaces between the address and the salutation, 2 spaces between the salutation and the first body paragraph, 2 spaces between first, second, and third body paragraphs, 2 spaces between the body, the complementary clause, the signature line, identification, and enclosures.
Modified block style. The modified block style business letter is the second most popular layout. A modified block style letter is a common format used when writing a business letter. This format makes preparation speed with traditional placement of some letter parts. This format also looks more balanced on the page than block format does. Modified block style business letter are less formal than full block style letter. If you are corresponding with someone you already have a good working relationship with, the modify block style letter is a good one to use. Next is the characteristic of modify block style. The first is modification of fully block style, di mana gaya layout surat yang sesuai dengan ketentuan modify block style business letter. Layout yang dimana layoutnya diatur dari 1 sampai dengan 1/4 inci. Follow the salutation or greeting with a comma. The second is date and complementary clause on the right side, yaitu di mana tanggal dan complementary clause berada di sisi kanan surat. And the third is the subject of the letter is at center. Jadi subjek atau alamat berada di tengah atau bisa juga diletakkan di sisi kiri surat. And the last is give the letter a balanced appearance. And next is the sample of modify block style. In the sample, you will see it varies slightly from a block style letter, with the major difference being the placement of the return address, date, and complementary closing. All other elements including inside address, greeting, body, and enclosure nation are left justified, and paragraphs are followed by either double or triple spacing depending on the length of the letter. Nah, jadi di dalam contoh ini akan terlihat perbedaan utama dari modify block style dengan full block style adalah pada penempatan alamat pengirim, tanggal, dan penutupan. Semua elemen lain termasuk alamat, sapaan, isi, dan notasi lampiran dibiarkan rata, dan paragraf diikuti dengan spasi ganda atau 3, tergantung pada panjangnya surat.
I'm Salwa Ramadhani, and here I want to continue the explanation from Norlinda. Alright, the next is fully indented style. The indented style is somewhat more complicated than other popular business writing styles. In the indent style, a new paragraph in a text is indented, starting about 1.5 centimeters to the right of the left margin. The rest of the business letter is moved further to the right of the page. The indent style is one of the older formats for business writing that is currently used, although other formats are becoming more popular. Jadi, gaya penulisan indentasi sedikit lebih rumit daripada gaya penulisan bisnis populer lainnya. Dalam gaya indentasi, paragraf baru dalam sebuah tulisan dibuat menjorok, yaitu dimulai sekitar 1,5 cm di sebelah kanan margin kiri. Bagian lain dari surat bisnis dipindahkan lebih jauh ke bagian kanan halaman. Next, the fully indented style letter form is basically written almost the same as the semi-indented style letter form, but there is still a difference between them. That is jagged destination address writing. Jadi, perbedaan antara penulisan fully indented style dengan semi-indented style ada pada penulisan alamat tujuan yang bergerigi. Pada baris pertama dari penulisan surat bentuk lekuk atau indented style dimulai dari margin kiri, sedangkan untuk baris kedua dan seterusnya dimulai dengan menjorok sebanyak 5 bits indented. Selain itu, untuk pengetikan place and date, closing greetings, name and position diketik di sebelah kanan. Sedangkan pada isi surat setiap pergantian alinea baru, pengetikannya masuk ke dalam sebanyak 5 strokes. And this is an example of fully indented style. The letter parts of the indented style are letterhead, the date the letter was written, mail number, attachments or page, opening greetings, introduction to the contents of the letter, explanation of the contents of the letter, closing the contents of the letter, closing greetings, job title, signature, signed name, copy, And the last one is letter or initial attachment page.
The next is semi-indented style. Semi-indented style, or we can also call it semi-block letters, are like modified block letters, with the exception the paragraphs are indented. Semi-indented style business letters are considered a little less formal than full block letters. In a semi-indented style or semi-block formal letter, all text is aligned to the left margin and the paragraphs are indented. In this form, inside address and complementary closing are written in block style or left margin, while the body of the letter is written in the indent style. And also, paragraphs are indented 3 to 5 spaces. Well, this is the example of semi-indented style. In sample 5, you will see that the address in block form, or no need to be indented. After the opening greetings, we need to be indented for writing the beginning of each paragraph. You can see on the body and closing of the letter. And then that and complementary close are on right side. And the last, salutation and complementary close are followed by comma.
Noma Simplipid style. Noma Simplipid or memorandum. This style of letter writing is employed in inter-office correspondence or internal written communication in office. In this style, there is no salutation, no subscription as in business letters, and the matter is written directly in a simplified manner. The simplified style business letter is a variation of the full block and semi-block letter formats. Business professionals take you more seriously when you format your written communication using one of these formats. A personal letter format is acceptable for writing to a friend, but using this format when you are sending a communication to another business owner can make you look unprofessional. How to format it? The right and left margins should be 1/4 inch and the top and bottom margin should be 1.5 inch. The date of the letter should be placed 6 to 10 space under your company letterhead. Position the recipient name if available, the company name and full address 2 to 4 space below the date of the letter. 2 space below this address, type in the subjects of your letter in all capital letters. Do not include an opening salutation. Begin the first paragraph of your letter 2 space below the subject line. Single space each paragraph and place full space between paragraphs, and with a closing salutation such as sincerely yours, then 5 space under your title, type your initial. If your office assistant types your correspondence, she should add a forward slash and her initials in a lowercase letters. If you are including an enclosure, type enclosure 2 space below the initial block. And when it is useful, Using the simplified style is the most useful at times when you don't have a recipient's contact name, because the simplified style does not require a salutation. You don't need the person's name. The simplified format does away with unneeded formality while maintaining a professional approach.